In this video, I'm going to review Pictory.ai. This is a powerful AI tool to create videos for any purpose, and you can create videos without showing your face and without even your voice. Whether you want to create videos for YouTube, whether it is a long form video or YouTube short video, or you want to create Instagram Reels videos or TikTok videos with Pictory, you can create those videos easily within minutes. All you need is a script. So if you want to sign up for Pictory, so as you can see, it has a free trial. So you can sign up for a free trial by clicking on this button, get started from now. So if you want to sign up for Pictory, you can go to the link in the description and you can sign up for the free trial. As you can see, by clicking on this button, you can get started now. So you can start your free trial by clicking the link in the description. Now I already have an account, so I will sign in. So I will log in from here. So I have logged into my account. So this is the dashboard, as you can see. So it has 4 different options to create videos. First is a script to video. If you have any script, so you can paste your script here and it will generate a video for you out of that script using stock footages and stock videos. Then the second option is article to video. So if you have any blog post, so you can paste the link of URL of that blog post here, of that article here, and you can click on proceed. So it will create a video out of that URL, out of that blog post. Then third option is edit videos using text. So you can edit your videos using text. And fourth one is visual to video. So you can upload different files to Pictory, or you can drag and drop your files from your computer and it will create a stunning video out of that. I don't have any blog, so I will not show you this article to video, and I would not recommend you to steal someone else's content from someone else's blog to copy and paste someone else's blog post URL here. So I will show you how you can create a video from script. So I will click on this proceed button. So it will give me this interface. Now first you can give your name of the video here. So you can give any name here. So I will give the title of my video that I want to create. So this is my title, 10 ways to improve your communication skills. So I want to create a video on this title. Now I will paste the script here, but before that we have to generate the script. So to create the script or generate the script, I will show you another stunning tool, another awesome tool to create the script for your YouTube video for absolutely free. So to create a YouTube script, you are gonna use this tool called ChatGPT. It is a free tool for now, so you can use this tool to write the script for your video. So first I will ask ChatGPT to act as a YouTube script writer. So I will ask it, please can you act as a YouTube script writer? Then I will press enter. Let's see what is it responses to us. So as you can see, it has responded us. Sure, I can definitely help you with that. What kind of video you planning to create? Do you have a topic in mind or any specific requirements? So now I will ask it to write the script for that video. So I will ask it, can you write script for the keyword? Then I will paste my keyword here. Then I will click enter. So it will start to write the script for this keyword now, and it has started writing. So as you can see, it is writing the script for us, and it is the introduction. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we share tips and tricks to you to help you improve your personal and professional skills. So this is the intro, and then it has given the tip number 1, speak clearly and confidently. Then it guides us that how host will say these words. The first way to improve your communication skill is to speak clearly and confidently. Then it has given us tip number 2, listen actively. Then tip number 3, tip number 4, tip number 5, and it is still writing. As you can see, it has given us tip number 9, avoid distractions, and it is still working on the tip number 10, that is practice. Then it has given us outro music, outro line, that is well, there you have it folks. Then these were the 10 ways to improve communication skills. So it has written a script for us. As you can see, we can use this script to create a video, but I need a longer script because we need to create a longer video, maybe of 10 minutes or so. So I will ask it to write a longer script so that we can create a video up to 10 minutes, but I will not ask it like this. I will ask it to write the each tip in more detail. So I will ask it like this, that can you elaborate the tip number 1 in more detail. So I will ask it one by one to elaborate the each tip. So right now I have asked it to elaborate the tip number 1. So as you can see, it is writing the tip number 1 in more detail now. So it is now writing it into bullet points. When it comes to communication, speaking clearly and confidently is crucial to getting your message across effectively. Here are few tips to help you speak more clearly. So it has given a number of points inside the tip number 1 itself, as you can see. So it has given us more detailed uh, description of the tip number 1. So we can ask it to write the detailed description for each and every tip manually here. So it will write a very long script for us, so that we can use that script to create a video longer than 10 minutes or so, or 12 minutes, because we are creating the video for YouTube. So now once your script is ready, you can copy the script and paste into Pictory.ai. So I will copy the script. So right now I will not copy the whole script. I will just copy this tip number 1 from here to this point, confidence, so that I will not waste your time creating the whole video. So I will copy this script and I will paste the script here in the Pictory, as you can see. Now what I will do, I will break this script into different sentences rather than breaking into paragraph. So I will give an enter here, then I will give one more enter here, then I will break this paragraph into two different sentences, then I will give an enter here as well, then I will break this paragraph into sentences again. So I will completely break these paragraphs into one sentences. So let's jump cut to the point where I will finish it. So as you can see, I've broken the script sentence by sentence, as you can see. Now why I have done this, I will show you later in this video. So right now you just can see that I have broken this script into sentences. Now if I click on this proceed button, it will start working and it will start making the video out of that script for us. But before that, we have to choose a template out of these given templates from templates library. So let's choose this one for now. So I will choose this one. So I will click on select, then it will ask me to select the aspect ratio. So I will select 16:9 because we are creating the YouTube long form video. If you want to create short form video, YouTube shorts or TikTok video or Instagram reels video, so you can select this 9:16, or you can select 1:1 as well. So I will select 16:9, then I will click on continue. So it will start working for us and it will start creating that video out of that script for us. So as you can see, it is analyzing the text now. So I will jump cut to the point where it will be completed 100%. So as you can see, it has created a video out of that script for us, and the length of that video is 2 minutes and 18 seconds because I have not taken the whole script. I've just taken tip number 1 from that script. So as you can see, for each sentence it has created a scene for us. This was the first sentence, so it has created this scene out of that sentence. Then this is the second scene created of this out of the second sentence, and if you want to change the position of this sentence, you can this text, you can change this. So it has created a total 16 scenes for us, as you can see. So if you want to change make any changes in any of the scenes, so you can select this scene, and from here you can make the changes. For example, if you don't like this video, if you want to change the background video, so you can go to this visuals and you can select any of the videos out of these stock videos. So let's say I want to select this video instead of that one, so it will replace that background video with this video. As you can see, it has replaced that video, and the duration of that scene is 10 seconds. As you can see, if you can increase or decrease the duration of any scene, every scene as well. So it has changed that background video for us in the first scene. Now if you want to apply this visual to all, so you can click on this button, so this visual will be applied to every scene. Now you can add some textures as well from here, and if you want to upload your own media, so you can upload, drag and drop that file here. You can download from other sites like pixels.com or pixabay.com, and you can upload your own media from here. So if you want to change, let's say scene number 2, or you can change any other thing as well, such as if you want to add some elements like stickers or gifs or emojis, you can add from here. And if you want to add the audio, you can do it from here. So first let's preview this scene, and let's see what kind of music is added by Pictory for us. So I will click on this preview button. So as you can see, it has added a background music as well. So if you want to change that, you can choose from 15,000 plus tracks available in Pictory, as you can see. So you can change or replace this music as well. And if you want to add text to this scene, you can do it from here. Or if you want to change the style, you can do it from here as well. So now I will go back to story. So if you want to change this subtitle as well, you can change it as well. So for that, you're gonna click on this, and from here you can make all the changes. For example, if you want to change the font, you can change it from here. Then you can increase or decrease the font size from here. You can bold the font, and you can make all the changes. And if you want to apply to all, you can click on this apply to all button, so it will be applied to all the scenes. Now if you want to change the make any changes to scene 2, so you're going to select this scene 2, and from here you can select, for example, if I want to change this visual, I don't like this visual, so let's say I will select this one. So this background video will be replaced by this video in this second scene. As you can see, it has replaced. And if you want to preview it, you can click on this preview button, so it will be previewed. So now if you want to add voiceovers to these videos, so you have this option, as you can see, add voiceovers. So in this you will get two different options. First is upload voiceover, so you can upload your own voiceover from here, or you can record a voiceover from here as well. I would recommend to upload a voiceover to Pictory. So if you don't have any voiceover, and if you don't want to record your own voice, or don't want to upload your own voice, so I will suggest you one more tool. I will show you how you can generate stunning voiceovers for these videos like this. So for that, we will use this tool called morph.ai. So to access this tool, you can go to the link in the description, and you will have an interface like this after signing in. So for creating a new project, you can click on this open studio button, and you will go to the dashboard. So I will be logged into my account. Now to create a new project, you can click on this create project button, and from here you can give this project a name. So I will just give a random name to it for now. And we are creating the audio, so I will select this audio, and I will click on this start blank. Then I will click on this create project button, so it will create a new project for us. Now next thing that you're going to do is you can paste your script here. So that script we will copy from ChatGPT again, and I will paste this script here again. Now it will give you three different options. First is split the script by paragraphs, so it will split the script by paragraphs. Second option is split the script by sentences. So I would recommend you to split the script by sentences, because we have pasted the script by sentences in the Pictory as well, and it has created a scene for every sentence for us. So I will click on this, I will select this split the script by sentences, and I will click on this paste script. So as you can see, it will be pasted by sentence, as you can see. Now if you want to preview the voice, so you can click on this play button, so it will generate the audio for you. So it is still generating the audio for this sentence, and if you click on this button again, so it will start to play.
When it comes to communication, speaking clearly and confidently is crucial for getting your message across effectively.
So as you can hear, it sounds more like human. So if you want to explore more voices, you can go to this explore AI voices. So you will get a number of options to choose from. You can preview them by clicking on this play button here.
It only takes one voice at the right pitch to start an avalanche.
Introducing Perfect Meal, a special formula for your feline.
And if you want to filter, so you can use these filters from here. For example, if you want to use English, US or Canada, you can select this. If you want to choose English from UK, you can select this, so it will filter out the voices. Then if you want only female voice, so you can select this, so it will give only female voice from UK. Then you can select age group from here as well, so it will filter out these voices for you, and then you can preview.
Promotional ads are everywhere. While watching a video, streaming music, hearing a podcast.
By clicking on this play button, you can preview them, and I will select any one of them. So I will select Katie for now. So this voice will be selected for this sentence. So if you want to preview, you can click on this play button, so it will generate the audio. Then you can click the play button again, so it will preview.
When it comes to communication, speaking clearly and confidently is crucial for getting your message across effectively.
So once you are done with this, so you can click on this export button to export this file. So this voice file will be exported to your computer, and later on you come back to Pictory and you can click on this add voiceover button, and from clicking this option upload voiceover, you can upload your own voiceover that you have created in morph.ai. You can drag and drop that file here as well. And after completing this, you can go to this button download, so you can download your video. Or before downloading, even after editing everything, you can, if you want to change the format, if you want to change the aspect ratio, you can go to this format option, and you can do it later on as well. For example, if you want to create this video for TikTok, so you can select this 9:16 aspect ratio. You can select this one. So you can change the aspect ratio after creating the video as well, and you can change the resolution from here. For example, if you want to download the video in 1080p, you can do it as well. And later on you can click on this download button, so that video will be downloaded to your computer. I will select this video, and it has started to download, as you can see. So now our video is now ready. It is ready to be uploaded on any of the platform that you want to upload it on. That's all from this video. If you have got any value out of this video, you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to sign up for any of the tools that I have shown you, whether it is Pictory or morph.ai or ChatGPT, you can go to the links in the description and sign up for their plans or free trials. Thank you and goodbye.